they're honoring a young man who will now be remembered as a true American hero. Calling hours continue until 8 o'clock tonight here at Miller Funeral Home in Henrietta. As flags line the streets, we spoke with a cousin of Private First Class Theodore Glendy, who described the young man who gave his life for our country.
For Army Private First Class Theodore M. Glendy, known as Matt to some, brave hero, dedicated soldier, loving husband.
His cousin was half his age, but Stuart Alexander and his wife Audrey watched Private Glendy grow up.
Wonderful. A prankster, jokester, funny, full of stories. Loved life.
Glendy went by either Matt or Theo. He was a 2007 graduate of McQuaid High School, where he ran on the track team, and in his senior year decided to go into the military. He attended Niagara University and was in the ROTC program there. Glendy was married just last April before heading to Afghanistan to serve his country.
It's a tragedy any way it goes to lose any member of the military.
Forrest Roselle was just one of the many Patriot Guard riders who escorted the body of Private Glendy from the Rochester Airport to Miller Funeral Home.
They signed a blank check when they joined, payable up to including their life. And they've earned the respect that we give them.
God bless.
Sorry for your loss, and it's an honor to stand by you.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's an honor.
Sorry for the loss of your cousin. Thank you.
For the Alexanders, it's not the homecoming they were hoping for.
Oh, I was crying. Very proud of him.
But as one of his fellow soldiers said, Private Glendy, you saved a lot of lives. Rest easy. Mission complete. Again, calling hours continue until 8 o'clock tonight here in Henrietta. The funeral is tomorrow afternoon at the Interfaith Chapel on the University of Rochester campus.